You gotta teach something in the Army? Whether you're officer or enlisted, I got the tips for you. Stop using PowerPoint. Everybody uses PowerPoint. It's time to do something different. Try a program called Prezi. Here you can see going through a presentation totally different than just click, click, click. This program, Prezi, takes you on a journey while you're learning. And it also gives you that ability to be creative, and it looks like you did a lot, but it's super easy. And it's free. The next biggest thing I learned as an instructor is to not overload your slides. Your slides shouldn't have a bunch of chaos on it. They shouldn't look like this. No. You shouldn't have 20 definitions and take 30 minutes to read. The one thing I learned when you're an instructor is to have 6 bullets with 6 words or less on each of those sentences. Those topics are cues for you as an instructor and telling you what you should be talking about. You shouldn't be reading. The definition of leadership: minimize your slides and maximize their attention. My next tip is for you to maximize the B key. And let me show you what it does. If you push the B key, this is what happens. Your screen goes black. While your screen is black, your attention is back on you and not on your slides. So when you unpush that B key, you come back and you focus up on those slides. The power of the B key brings all the attention to you who's speaking and not on your 60,000 word definition slides. And one last tip is the power of silence. It's a powerful thing. Don't be afraid when you're teaching a class and you give an overhead question, a question to the class, and no one says anything. Don't be afraid of the silence. Just sit in it, because as awkward as it is for you, it is more awkward for them. One of them's gonna answer. Trust me, the power of silence. It's big time. Stay tuned. This is part 1 of tips. I got part 2 coming.